people? It's your boy Jinx in the building one more time, and you know how we do. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the viral dance to "Boo" by Headband. Let's dive right into it. Right before we go into it, I need you guys to take note of where our right section is gonna be and where the left section is gonna be. So I'm gonna put that up here. This is gonna be our right direction, and this is going to be our left direction. So I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you take note of that, and it's gonna guide you. All right. Also take note. You need comfortable pants, comfortable shoes, t-shirt. Get a cool space around your home, and make sure you're able to move around. All right. And you want to also stretch out a bit, just get warmed up so you don't hurt yourself while trying to execute the movement. Perfect.
First off, move number one, you want to get comfortable dipping your hands inwards, and we're going to do that up to 5 times. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. The last 3 is a bit faster than the first 2. So let's do it again. 1 and the 2, faster. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this up to 2 times. When you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, you count as 1, then repeat again, and you count that as 2. All right? So let's put it together. 5, 6, and 7, and go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 and the 2 and 1, 2, 3.